This channel is called Heartcrafted Design and Events. It's actually the name of my business, my event planning business that I have already kind of launched, but officially am concentrating on right now. So I am starting this channel today, and I experience how to actually create a business, like real gung-ho on it. I think I'm a little nervous. And I've created this channel, this YouTube channel in particular, because I wanted you to come along the journey with me as I explore the world of business, as I explore the world of event design and how to really reach clients. So that is part of it. But I also wanted to foster a community. We are right now living in this world where it's a lot of hardship. And so I really wanted to take the time to how to create those moments, how to create those special memories with your family, with your friends. I'm not just focusing on those big celebrations, which are important, like your birthdays and baby showers and graduations and weddings, and those are definitely to be celebrated. But I'm talking also about those little moments, those small intimate moments that you can have with your family and friends. And so yeah, I really want to explore that option and how to really foster to your family, your community. So I am trying to explore that area. And so I really want to give you really good, cool tips and tricks that you can just celebrate in your home, in the comfort of your home, and really personalize it to you. That's really what Heartcrafted is about. It's really about your personalization. It's your thumbprint. It's your personalities, your characteristics, what you love, what you don't love, all will be expressed in the celebrations that you surround yourself with. So I really wanted to come alongside with you in terms of that. So on that note, this is just an intro to who I am. So let me formally introduce myself. My name is Sarabina. I am a mom and I am a creative. I'm shy. I'm not gonna lie. I am sort of an introvert, so this is really, really exposing me right now. I think of different ways to really just celebrate special moments in your life. Creating events to your heart's content is really my motto. And so I just hope that you come along this journey with me. On that note, Christmas is coming real soon. Like, it's coming this week. So it's actually nice that it's on a weekend, but one of the things that I've been thinking about with Christmas this year is how to do the most minimal in regards to food. I do not want to cook. And so I wanted to make sure that I was providing food for my family without doing much work. That's number one. Number two, breakfast. I love breakfast. Absolutely love breakfast. And so I really wanted to have something that we can eat while we're opening presents. My son's the one who's probably getting a lot of presents this year, so he's the one that I'll be munching on while he's opening presents. Anyways, with that being said, with breakfast, because I love breakfast so much, I was thinking, what way can I present food that people could just eat and that minimal cooking is done on my part? Really, really cute setup. You're presenting food that's already kind of been prepped for you. So I kind of wanted to do the same thing, but instead of doing it like cheese, crackers, and all that stuff, focusing on breakfast. So went to Walmart, got a handful of goodies. I think I got muffins. I got, I don't know why let me look. I got muffins. I got cinnamon rolls, grapes, donuts, croissants, strawberries, and even raspberries. I got that all from Walmart. I just took a little quick trip. I'm gonna be honest with you, it was under $25, I believe. I don't think I even went over $20. I could double check. But as far as I know, I did not spend that much money on this board. I already had eggs and bacon at home. And I had sausage. And those things are really easy for me to make. I was gonna make hard-boiled eggs and then also have bacon and sausage. Again, these are just like foods that you could just nibble on. I could watch a movie while you're opening gifts. Awesome. That's where I got the food. I got the food from Walmart. Got the boards. I don't know if you guys have seen these boards that, first of all, I did not want to spend that much money on boards, but I did want to, something that I was going to utilize over and over again. I just want to get another big cutting board. I wanted to get a board that I will utilize again, basically. I don't know if you guys have seen these like really big boards. Like I wanted a round board. It was really in my head to get a round board, and I couldn't find. I see these, like I went on Pinterest, I went online, I Googled everything, and I could not find an affordable one that I could just get real quick, according to the hugeness of the boards. Mind you, these boards are really big. It's just me, my son, and possibly my husband who's gonna be there, so it's just really small. So I didn't really need a really big board. What I really needed was like a smaller board, and so I found it at Target, and I believe this is the Hearth and Hand collection. Yeah, it was, I don't even remember how big it is, but I'll put the information up if I remember or if I find out. Yeah, this board was like perfect size for my family. Of course, if you have a bigger family, I honestly think this is a pretty good board too. I honestly think it's too much because my son's 3. I then put parchment paper on it to make sure, I don't know, I just don't really want food touching it like that, so I just put parchment paper. But yeah, that was really it. I found that information really simply. I'm definitely doing it this year because I just I did some hard-boiled eggs. I put my bacon in the oven typically, and I actually microwaved my sausages. So I was done. Like it was really easy to do. It was actually my first time actually doing a charcuterie board. If I were to maneuver little things, I wish I found things with a little more color, but I got what I got, right? So I had to work with what I got, and I probably would maneuver around some of the color, but everything's like really brown. Anyways, I digress. This is a really good idea. I think having this like breakfast, I just think it's cute. It's really relaxed, really chill. You don't have to think about cooking very much while you're eating and nibbling, while your kids or you or your significant other is just open up presents. And yeah, so I thought that was really cute. I really hope that this is helpful, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you try it out. Let me know if you do. Send me some pictures or comment below if you come up with any other ideas. That'd be really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for enduring this intro and my ideas so far. I do plan on posting weekly, so I hope to see you again next week. And I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, sharing with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. Yeah, I appreciate you. Merry Christmas. Blessings.